Mandvi, how
Good
are
morning,
you?
sir.
I think you will be fine.
Yes, sir.
Now, today we shall learn about some basic concept related to real number, which is
Okay,
chap-
sir.
which is chapter 1 of NCERT class 10 maths.
Okay, sir.
Please open your notebook and note it down the things which I am going to explain.
Okay, sir.
Salient, some salient features are hello, note down. Hello, Mandvi,
Yes, sir.
note down in your
Okay,
notebook.
sir.
Number 1, natural number or Hindu Arabic numbers.
Rational numbers
Natural numbers are Hindu Arabic numbers.
are,
Natural numbers or Hindu Arabic numbers.
sir, it's not audible.
I am going to write also natural numbers.
Natural numbers
Natural numbers are Hindu Arabic numbers.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Natural numbers are Hindu Arabic numbers.
Yes, sir.
The set capital N equal to open the curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on curly bracket close.
Okay, sir.
Where
Yes, sir.
where 1 belong to capital N. Here I have written, you can see here 1 belongs to capital N. Capital E, I have written this is belong to our element. You can read 1 belong to capital N. Like that, 2 belong to capital N, 3 belong to capital N, 4 belong to like this you can write. This is element sign. One is the element, one is an element of capital N.
Okay, sir.
Next topic the whole number.
Okay, sir.
Second one is whole number. Whole number. Whole numbers. Set W. The set capital W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on.
Okay, sir.
So do you know the what is difference between whole numbers and natural number?
Yes, sir.
Natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whereas whole number include 0 plus natural numbers.
O- Okay, sir.
Now integers. Write down the third one is integers. Third one is integers. Integers, the set capital Z. The set capital Z equal to dot dot -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. Remember the thing. All negative
Okay,
integers,
sir.
all negative integers, 0 and 1, 2, 3. All positive integers are in set capital Z, which are integers. Okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay. Next one is positive integers. Number 4, positive integers. Write down quickly.
Okay, sir.
Positive integers. Integers. positive integers, a set Z positive, positive integers,
Okay, sir.
a set capital Z, uppercase. This is uppercase. Plus is in uppercase, plus sign. So this includes
Okay, sir.
elements will be zero. Note down. Positive. If I say what is positive integer, zero will be included. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Positive integers. Number
Okay,
5,
sir.
negative integers. Negative integers. Negative integer set capital Z,
Z minus.
uppercase minus equal to open the curly bracket -1, -2, -3, -4, like that. Negative integers. Note it down.
Okay, sir.
Next,
Yes, sir.
next will be which point will be which point will be 6. I think point will be 6.
Hello.
Point
Yes,
will
sir.
be point will be 6.
Yes,
Even
sir.
numbers. Note down even numbers. Point number 6 even numbers. Even numbers equal to
Yes, sir.
0. 0 is even number.
Okay, sir.
0, 2, 4, 6, 8,
6.
10. Like so on. Even numbers are
Okay, sir.
0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Understood?
Yes, sir.
7. Odd numbers. Odd numbers equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on.
Yes, sir.
These are odd numbers. Next point, number 8. Serially, I shall go through serially. Next one is important thing. Number 1, 1. 1 is neither. Note down.
Yes, sir.
1 is neither prime number, prime
Not
number,
composer.
nor 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Very important fact is there. You have to remember the thing. There is
Okay,
no
sir.
other to make you understand. But remember the things, these things which I have explained here. Number 8 point is 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Note down.
Yes, sir.
1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Number plural
Noted, sir.
singular is there. तो 1 is neither prime number. 1 जो है prime number नहीं है और composite number भी नहीं है. Remember the thing.
Okay, sir.
Next one is prime number. Note down number 9. Number 9 is prime number. Heading is prime number. What is prime number? Prime number 2 is prime number. 3 is prime number. 5,
Yes.
7, 11, 13, 13,
70.
17, 19, like that. Definition is number which is divided by the number which is divided by 1 or by the
Number
number.
8, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Prime number is the number which is divided by 1 or by the number itself.
Okay, sir.
Next one is composite number. Composite number are united number. Write down the heading. Heading number
Yes,
10.
sir.
Heading number 10 is composite number. Composite number are united number. United number. Composite number, united number,
Okay,
which
sir.
has two factors. Which has two factors. Two factors. Two or more factors. You can write here two or more factors. Two or more factors. Composite number or united number, the number which has two or more numbers except one. वन को छोड़ करके दो या दो से अधिक फैक्टर्स होंगे, वन नहीं होगा उसमें.
Okay, sir.
Like that four, like that think over two, think over about two, think over two. You can do the prime factorization of two, you will get 1 into 2.
Yes, sir.
But here 2 is not prime number. 2 is not composite number.
Yes, sir.
Here 2 is not composite number. Why? If you do prime factorization of 2, you will get 2 equal to 1 into 2. So out of 2 factors, one factor is 1. Here in definition, except 1 is given. That's
Yes,
why
sir.
2 is not composite number. Understood?
Yes, sir.
But 4, if you do prime factorization of 4 can be written 2 into 2. So out of 2
Yes,
factors,
sir.
2, 1 is not there. So in
Yes, sir.
definition, except 1 is there, 2 into 2, 1 तो नहीं है. 2 into 2, तो दोनों factors
Yes,
2
sir.
है. That's why 4 is a composite number. But 2 is not composite number. Understand?
Okay. Yes,
Next.
sir.
Now I am going to deep related to chapter 1, real number. Beginning will be
Yes, sir.
rational number. Listen, this is a very important topic which I am going to discuss.
Okay, sir.
Rational number. Rational number. Today I am going to discuss chapter 1 related to real number. What is real number? Real numbers include rational number plus irrational number. Out of two here, rational numbers and irrational number, I am going to explain about rational number. So what
Okay,
is
sir.
rational number? The problem is here, what is rational number? Listen carefully, very important things I am going to explain here. Number 1, Roman, here I write Roman. Any number expressed as p upon q. Any number expressed as p upon q where q equal to not 0. p and q are integers. Very simple. Again, I shall explain to you what is rational number. Any number expressed as p over q where q is not equal to 0. Means denominator 0 नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay, sir.
p and q are integers. बस ये चैप्टर तुम्हारा खत्म हो गया इसी पर. ये बैकबोन है, बैकबोन ऑफ द चैप्टर रियल नंबर. व्हाट इज
Okay,
Now
sir.
I shall explain in detail. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's think over. Take any number. Any number you take positive real number या positive real number 0.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So just I am going to ask from you, 0 is rational number or not?
0 is a rational number
How 0 is rational number?
because it can be represented in the form of P by Q, 0 by 1.
So you can write 0 equal to P upon Q. So here you can write P, where P equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Q equal to not 0. Means denominator should not be 0, but numerator can be 0.
Yes, sir.
So if you write like this, P equal to 0 upon Q, this will become 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here it is verified. 0 is integer, Q is also integer. Like that 1. 1 is rational number. So 1 can
Yes,
be
sir.
written like it 1 upon 1. Here in denominator 1 is not 0.
Yes, sir.
So like it minus 2. Minus 2 is also rational number.
Okay, sir.
Why? You can write like this minus 2 upon 1. So 1 is denominator. The denominator 1 is not equal to 0. Or both are integers. Minus 2 is negative integer. 1 is positive integer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next point is note it down.
Yes, sir.
Next point is rational number, irrational number. Next point is 12. Point number 12 is irrational
Number.
number. Irrational number आते ही थोड़ा सा एक टॉपिक very very composite, and this topic is very very composite, and you can see hard, very very tedious job I am going to explain. Irrational number कठिन, irrational number को फाइंड आउट कठिन. कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगी? व्हाट विल डू? Irrational number means equal to, केवल इतना ही याद रखना. What you have to remember the thing, non-repeating, non-repeating,
Non-repeating.
non-repeating, non-terminating,
Okay, sir.
non-terminating. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Non-repeating, non-terminating number. कोई भी नंबर
Okay, sir.
which is non-repeating, repeating नहीं होना चाहिए और terminating भी नहीं होना चाहिए. But that number will be called irrational number. Like that, take under root 2. Under root 2 का वैल्यू होता है 1.41. इतना तो मेरे को मालूम है.
One. Yes, sir.
Do you know the what is correct value? Under root 2. Under root 2 is equal to 1.41.
Yes, sir.
What shall I write further? आगे क्या लिखूं? मालूम है?
No, sir.
You can see in mobile also. And what is value under 2? तो ये like that कुछ आता है जो non repeating होगा. Like 2 आ गया, 3 आ गया, 7 आ गया. Just I am writing like this, non repeating. और terminating भी नहीं है. Infinite तक जाएगा. इसी infinite. 8 लिखते हैं यहाँ पे, 8 को डाउन कर देते हैं, 8 को सुना दो. 8 जो लिखा है उसको स्लिप दे दो. स्लम्बर बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? नोट अबाउट मीनिंग आल्सो स्लम्बर. SLUMBER. स्लम्बर मीन्स गहरी नींद में सो जाओ. जब 8 जो है गहरी नींद में सो जाता है तो वो बन जाता है इनफाइनाइट. तो क्या बन जाता है?
Infinite.
और इनफाइनाइट का वैल्यू इन मैथमेटिकल इनफाइनाइट इज मतलब n infinite equal to in denominator it will always be zero. In denominator it will always be zero. Then value will be not defined. You can say value is not defined. Note down the thing. Very important for our class also.
Okay, sir.
1 upon 0 equal to infinite, that is not defined. This topic is very important for higher class. स्लम्बर गहरी नींद में सो जाओ, ये होता है. तो यू कैन सी हियर अंडर रूट 2 इक्वल टू 1.41237 लाइक दिस. नॉन रिपीटिंग मतलब कोई भी डिजिट रिपीट नहीं कर रहा है और टर्मिनेट भी नहीं हो रहा है, बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू अप टू इनफिनिट.
Okay, sir.
अंडर रूट 2, अंडर रूट 3, what is the value of under root 3? I think 1.72.
Yes, sir.
Under root 5, pi equal to 3.14. Pi. Under
Okay,
root
sir.
3, under root 5, pi, under root 2. All these numbers are irrational numbers which are non-repeating, non-terminating number.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. A1 is also there E. Do you know the value of E?
No, sir.
Remember the value of E, very important from when you will going to learn in class 12 या class 11 logarithm. I am master of logarithmic tables and logarithm. So always and often it is used small e. Small e
Okay.
equal to 2.718 like this. जो नॉन रिपीटिंग है, इसके आगे और भी नंबर होंगे, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, बट ऑलवेज after decimal 2 point I remember the thing. The E equal to
Okay.
2.718, pi equal to 3.14, under root 3 1.72, under root 2 1.41. These are number are irrational number. जो irrational number है क्योंकि non
No.
repeating non terminating. Now I am
Okay.
going to ask, have you noted the thing?
Yes, sir.
Have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Now I shall ask you one question from you. Just think over the thing. If I write like this, 1.34 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is number. Can you
Okay, sir.
tell this number is rational number or irrational number?
Rational.
Understand properly. Don't reply shortly or abruptly. Think over the thing and then reply properly. I have written here x equal to 1.34 12 up to infinite. Just I am asking from you, this number, whole number means x is any number, is rational number or irrational number?
Rational.
Rational. Why this is rational number? Rational. Factor R दे दो. Factor R rational number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why rational number?
Because 1 2 is repeating.
1 2 1 2 1 2 here. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 is getting repeated here.
Yes, sir.
तो irrational के definition में non repeating, non तो हट गया,
Yes,
repeating
sir.
हो गया 1 2 1 2 2 1 2 and non terminating, non repeating up to infinity is there.
Yes, sir.
That's why whole number is rational number. So rational
Okay.
number can be expressed in form of P upon Q.
Yes, sir.
What we will do? Here let x equal to this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what to do here? You can see here after decimal here 3, 4. After
Yes,
decimal
sir.
2 points are there. Point decimal 3, 4 are there. So you have to 2 point after the decimal 2.34 are there. So you will multiply both sides by 100. What will be the
Okay,
result?
sir.
Multiply 100 in both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. It will be multiplied by 100. So it will become 100x equal to
100.
134.1212121212. Understood? No.
Okay, sir.
It's just
Sir,
this one.
understood.
Yeah? Any problem?
Yes, sir.
You
No, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Here I have multiply 100 to x. The 100x will be there. If you multiply 100 to this number, the point will move
2 digits.
further, 2 decimal further. आगे
Yes, sir.
134.1212 will be there.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what will do there?
Yes, sir.
Now subtracting. What will write? Subtracting equation 2. Subtracting equation 1. Subtracting equation 1 from 2.
Okay, sir.
इक्वेशन नंबर 2 से इक्वेशन नंबर 1 को घटा दो.
Okay, sir.
So what will get? Here you will get
19.
99.
99x.
Here you will get like this subtract. What will write? Equation number 2. 134. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 infinite. This is
Yes,
equation
sir.
number 2. After that,
Yes,
below
sir.
we will write equation number 1. Equation number 1 will write 1 point. What will write?
3, 4.
एक मिनट. Problem is there. 99x 134 1. Something there. I think this will be just I shall come to you. Like it, this will come 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. I think this is wrong. So in that case, what will do? Here 0 0 will come 133, or here 99x will be there. The x is
Okay, sir.
133 upon 99. So which is rational number? Which is rational number?
Rational number.
But I have done mistake somewhere, which I shall try to correct the thing. Here we multiply itna, but x का value, what the value of x will be? X value will be turning not going to say. ठीक है. इस तरह की चीजें have you done this type of question?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
A basic idea to is I don't remember the question, but I have given example of it. Like this is rational number. So
Okay.
this is repeating. 1 2 1 2 is repeating. So that's why it is rational number. Understood?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't remember the question, but whenever question will come, I'll get solved like this.
Okay, sir.
Now I shall some mistake I have committed here, but I can't correct at this time. Okay? Since
Yes, sir.
we are online, but